In this video, I will show you how to set up call forwarding on iPhone. So let's jump straight into it. So to go ahead and set this up, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the settings app on your iPhone. Now from here, what you need to do is scroll all the way down towards the bottom until you see apps at the very bottom and then press onto this. Then what you need to do is find the phone app in your list of apps. So it's in alphabetical order. What you want to do is come down to P. And in the P section, you're going to see the phone app just here. So what you want to do is press to go into the phone app settings. And from this screen, what you need to do is scroll down to the call section. And in the call section, you're going to see an option for call forwarding. So what you want to do is give this a press. Then what you need to do is go ahead and turn the switch on to turn on call forwarding. Now, once you've done that, a box is going to appear underneath saying forward to. What you want to do is give this a press and then go ahead and enter the number that you want to forward this call to. Once that's done, go ahead and press back and that's going to save the number. And now any calls that come through on your iPhone will now be automatically forwarded as long as you have the call forwarding option turned on. Of course, you can always turn it off again by coming back to this setting and toggling the switch off, just like so. So that is how to set up call forwarding on iPhone. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.